parents. So today we're going to review, boys and girls, hi. Today we're going to review our high frequency words. We're going to do our sight words. And these are our first grade read high frequency words from our first list. And we're just going to review it like we do in the classroom to make sure that you know your words so you don't forget them. If you don't know the word, just listen up and hear us say it and repeat it after us, okay? You ready? Here we go. Get those mouths ready. Here we go. Hold on. Ready? First word.
A.
Good.
My. In. No. Up.
Up. Very good. A little louder, Emilio, so I can hear you,
Up.
okay?
He
Good.
is. Do. Can. See.
Very good.
Can, so. To. And. Am. At. On.
And very good. Nice and loud.
Me.
Good. They're getting stuck on Miss Bourgeois.
I. You.
Mm-hmm.
It.
Good job.
Go.
Go.
Like. The.
Did I say this already? We and
A.
Those are 25 words. And you have those also in the list of words that I sent home at the beginning of the school year. You have these red words ready to go. You can use them in your house if you still have them. Cut them up, use them as flashcards. Boys and girls, when you're done with this lesson, watching this, you can go into your books, any book that you have or anything around your house, and look for these sight words. And if you see them, you can write them down in a notebook. Also, if you have like a magazine or a newspaper, you can find these sight words in your magazine or newspaper and highlight them, just like we do with our shared reading poems, okay? So play games, practice with your kindergarten brother or sister, practice with your second grade brother or sister, just so that you don't forget your words, all right? Okay,
Bye.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
That button.
Hi, today we're going to be doing our Harry Bridges high frequency words for first grade, and we're doing the orange set, which is the second set, also known as List to Be, but it's the orange color for rainbow words, okay? So today I'm going to do it with Emilio and with you guys at home. So just for a review, just like in the classroom. Ready? Okay, let's say it. Fun.
Had.
They're sticking. These are new cards.
Be.
Good.
Him.
Mm-hmm.
Him. Ball. Here.
This says
Her.
her. We don't sound it out, but once you start knowing your sounds, you can see it says her, like her ball.
Are.
Went.
Play.
Two.
As.
Oopsie daisies.
This.
Will.
Look.
For. Has. Good job. They're sticky. Did.
Was. Come. Get. Be. By.
Like this book was written by
Mo.
Mo Willems. So we're gonna put this on the have to practice pile. If you get it wrong, we always practice it 5 times.
Got.
Got.
Day.
Day.
All.
All.
They.
They. And he also, Emilio, I don't know if you guys at home, but Emilio also said the word her incorrectly. So I should have put that in my practice pile. So at home, if you get a word wrong, you can have your parents, you know, you can cut them out from here. Have your parents or your brothers or your sisters, your friends, not your friends, not right now. Anyone that's at home with you will help you practice them. And any word that you get wrong, you can put on the side and you can practice it, okay? Any words that you don't know in your list, practice them. Practice 5 words a day. If you don't know your words yet, practice 5 new ones. That's it, just 5. You don't have to practice the whole list. Let's say you know almost all of them, you know all of these, but you're missing all of these from the second list, from the second page. Just practice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tomorrow. Practice 5 until you learn these 5. Then when you learn them, practice the next 5. Then when you learn those, you practice the next 5, okay? Don't try to memorize them all at once. So here's my word. What was it, Emilio? Her. Let's say it 5 times. Her. 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 Say it to the ceiling. Her. Say it to the floor. Her. Say it to your neighbor. There's no neighbor. Pretend you have a neighbor. Say it to your neighbor. Her. Say it to your hand. Her. Write it on the floor. Her. H-E-R. Her. Good. What does it say, Emilio?
Her.
Her. And then this is the other word. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
5 times. Bye. 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 Say it to the floor. Bye. Say it to the ceiling. Bye. Say it to your neighbor. Bye. Say it to your foot. Bye. Say it to your teddy bear. Bye. Okay, so this is bye. And this is
Her.
her. What does that say?
Bye.
Good job. All right, that's the end of our orange words. Okay, so now we're going to practice our yellow high frequency words from our yellow list, which is the 3rd list in Harry Bridge's 1st grade. So here's our list C. It's the yellow list. I sent these home at the beginning of the school year. You guys have them in your homework folders. All the teachers pass them out in 1st grade. And maybe not in the colored bit, they do pass them out in your homework list, okay? So you should have them. So here's list 3,
Sat.
which is the yellow words. Ready? Here we go. Say them with me.
Sat.
Sat.
Of.
It's visual.
Read.
Read, or you can also say read, like you already read something.
Saw.
Saw.
We already did these, Mom.
Mom.
Ran.
Ran. But we did mom already.
Us.
Us. Good job.
Yes.
Yes.
How.
How.
Eat.
Eat. Sorry, these are getting stuck because they're new words. I left my words in the classroom. Eat.
She.
She.
Not.
Not.
Jump.
Jump.
Then.
Then.
Sit.
Sit.
Put.
Put.
Girl.
Girl.
Or. Say.
Say.
His.
His.
Man.
Man. Out.
Out.
If.
Run.
Run.
Now.
Now. Good job. Those are your yellow high frequency words. Good job, Emilio. And don't forget to practice these too. If you have any that you got wrong, put them on the side. You should know them like this. Don't try to sound them out. That's not called a sight word. You need to know what the word is so it doesn't mess you up when you're reading your books, okay? All right. See you tomorrow. Hi, today we're going to do our green high frequency words from our green first grade list from Harry Bridges. And that is the fourth list that you guys have. Here we go.
Your.
Ben.
There.
Have. Okay, hold on. Them.
Into. Any. Away. Make.
Very good.
Van.
Everybody.
Big.
Okay, everyone, what does this say? Who? What does this say?
Where.
This one says were. This one gets tricky. Sometimes we'll say where, sometimes were. This one's like, we were so hungry today. Were.
From. I'm. Because. When.
Remember, we don't try to go before. Wait for the word.
Because. Back. After. About. Could. Mother.
Everybody. Ready?
Just. You just said that.
Came.
Very. Your.
Been. Like, I have been doing my homework.
There.
Have. Did we do all these already?
Yeah. That's what I said.
Then. Okay, Emilio says we did them already. Let's do them again. It's okay. Into. Any.
Away. Make.
Big and than. So there's one word that Emilio had trouble with. It was were. So we're going to practice it, okay? Say were. Say it 5 times.
Were.
Thank you. You can say it to the floor.
Were.
Say it to the ceiling.
Were.
Say it to your friend. Were. There's no friend here. Say it to your toes. Were. Say it as loud as you can.
Were.
Very good. Okay, boys and girls, those are your green words. Remember, you can look for some in your book. You can look for some in magazines, in newspapers, circle them, highlight them, do anything you want with them. Practice them. They'll always practice them. Okay? See you tomorrow. Okay, so today we're going to practice our blue high frequency words. And those are first grade blue high frequency words from Harry Bridges. And that is list number 5. Yes, list number 5. Okay, here we go. Blue words. Say it with us, okay?
3. Today. Much.
There. This is a type of there, like it belongs to them. It's their iPad.
Little. Love. Take. There's a sign. Don't. Down. With.
Oopsies.
Our.
Said. Oh, this type of hour is not like the hour of the day. It's like our. It belongs to us. It's ours. Okay, our.
Our house.
Our house, like our house. What does it say?
Said.
Said. It doesn't say said. It says said.
Silent A. Over.
Over.
That.
That. This is when you guys use a lot in your writing and it's in your reading a lot.
Going.
Going. And
Lit. Light.
let.
Let.
Let. Say it with me. Let. We're going to put this one aside.
Home.
Home.
Here.
Here. I'm right here in Emilio's room.
Want.
Want.
What.
What.
Where.
Where. Where are
WH.
you? WH. Where.
Under.
Under.
To.
Two. This is the number 2. Not to my best friend. Not I like that too. This is the number 2.
But.
But. And one more.
No.
The word no. This is a silent K. No. Alrighty? Like I know my blue high frequency words. And if I don't know my blue high frequency words, I'm going to learn them. 5 new words a day. That's all you have to learn every single day. Try 5. You'll memorize them. I promise you will. If you try 5 a day, you'll memorize them in less than 5 minutes. Okay? Alrighty. See you later. Okay, these are our pink high frequency words from our Harry Bridges first grade high frequency words. This is our list number 6. And this is our 6th list. And here we go, pink words. Say them with us. Ready?
Think.
Think.
Idea.
Idea.
Ask.
Ask.
You ask a lot of times. Soon.
Soon.
Until.
Until.
Until you go to school.
Until. School. Anybody out there miss school? I do.
Next.
Next.
Things.
Things.
Last.
Last.
Great.
Great. Next.
Because.
Best.
Best.
Best. See, sometimes we just skip it. We think we know the word. The luck. Best. It ends in best. So I'm going to put this aside so I can practice with Emilio later.
Such.
Such.
Easy.
Easy.
Family.
Family. I hope you're all home with your family right now.
Pretty.
Pretty.
Often.
Often. The T is silent. Often.
Never.
Never.
House.
House. You might be in your house.
Sam. Same.
Same.
Ah.
Same. Good. Same, same, same. High. High up in the sky.
Walk.
Walk. Don't forget, you guys can go out for a walk.
Want.
Let's look at it. Wait. Wait. Very good. Wait, wait, wait. We're going to put this aside.
Always.
Always.
Find.
Find.
More.
More. And boys and girls, you know, Emilio forgot these or didn't get these correct. Remember, any that you don't get correct, you use them from your little cards. You read them over and over until you've learned them, okay? Alrighty. See you later. Okay, so we're going to practice our purple high frequency words. That's the list G, the 7th list that we passed out. It's actually violet, but it's purple here. So it's a violet high frequency words. And It's our 7th list, so we're gonna practice it. Now, this is the second to the last list, so it does get a little harder. It's not like your kindergarten words, so Emilio might have some problems with it, but it's okay. I'll just pull those aside and we'll practice 5 of them tomorrow because it's late already. Ready?
Does
friend
each other.
This one says either. Say it. Either.
Yourself.
There, like they are. This is it says there.
Together.
Through. This says through. This one you just have to learn it by sight. It's really hard to sound it out, so you have to just learn it by looking at it. Special. Also very hard to sound out, so you have to learn it. You can't sound it out. Special.
Goes.
Whoa, Miss Bourgeois. Together. Your, like you are.
I thought I can do this.
Without. You can see it says with, and then it says out. Without. Okay. Each. Should. Again.
Probably.
This is a hard one to pronounce. It's probably. Say it. Probably. Put it together. Probably. Like, it's probably going to rain again tomorrow. Probably. Themselves. I see the word them here, so themselves. So I'm putting those aside, the ones Emilio doesn't know. Beautiful. That's how we have to remember it sometimes. Suddenly. What does it say? Begin. Couldn't.
It's a silent owl.
Yes, you can't hear the owl. And these are just sight words. You have to learn them like this just by seeing them, okay?
Together.
This one says thought. It's one of those other ones that kind of gets hard, so you just have to memorize it. Thought. And it ends with a t. So you remember that one's not through, that one's not though, that one's thought. Okay? We're going to practice this one. While. Long I blinky. While. Say it at home. While. Might. It has the IGH that says I. Might.
I did not know that.
Yeah, I know. Kinders don't know that yet. Enough. Emilio's like, enough with all this homeschooling. Ready? All right, that's it. Now you guys can practice those at home. Take out your list. If you still have these, if you don't, they're in your homework folder. It's that list that has all of them, that white list. Okay, so you guys can use those. Practice so that you don't forget. Practice so that you can learn how to write them. You guys can write them. You can do that for one of your homeworks if you want. Just write all your purple, violet, high frequency words, all right? Okay, see you tomorrow with our last list. Hi guys, so today we're going to practice our last list. And in first grade, we either call them our gray words or our white words. It depends who your teacher is, but we call them the white words or the gray words. It's our last list that we're doing today. Yay! And it is also in your packet that we sent home. It's also in your homework folder. All of the columns are there, so we're gonna try our last ones, okay? All right, so remember, if you don't know them, practice those words. 5 words every day so you can learn them. Here we go. Ready, Emilio?
Wanted.
Wanted.
Someone.
Someone.
Old.
Old.
Kind.
Kind.
Coincidence.
Question. Question.
Need.
Need.
Plan.
Plan.
Everyone.
Better. Understand. Understand. Against.
Everything.
Everything.
Happen. Everything happens.
Slowly. Different. Different. Near. Near. Follow. Few. Few. Like there's just a few kids watching right now. Begin. Begin. That means to start.
Like the school year.
Wouldn't. So you can see the word would. It's a contraction. Wouldn't. Myself. Answer. Several. Really, like I really miss you. Since. Okay, so these are your high frequency words, boys and girls. Remember, if you don't know them, if you're trying them in your little word cards, put those aside and practice those 5 a day. I'm going to practice all these with Emilio. These are first grade, remember, Emilio's in kinder, so I have to practice these with him. So he's ready to go. Okay, but you're in first grade in my class and here at home. Okay.
No,
all right, guys.
Words.
So go ahead and practice these. You can read them every day. Look for them in your books. Do a word hunt for them, or just read them. Read them. Practice them. You can write them down. Make a list of all your gray words or your white words. Make a list. Read them to your parents. Find them when someone's talking. Say, hey, that's a rainbow word. Hey, that's a sight word or a snap word. Okay? All right, guys. That's it. See you guys later. Don't forget to read your high frequency words. Alrighty. Thanks.